कभी कभी ज़िंदगी में कुछ कहानियाँ ऐसे शुरू होती है जो ना हमने सोची होती है ना समझी होती है, लेकिन एक बार शुरू हो जाए तो दिल का हिस्सा बन जाती है। सो वेलकम टू डायरी डेज वेयर इमोशंस फाइंड वर्ड्स एंड स्टोरीज फाइंड अ होम इन योर हार्ट। टुडे वी ब्रिंग यू अ टेल that proves sometimes the most beautiful relationship begin with a random message. So let's begin. Meet Aradhya and Ayan. Aradhya, an innocent dreamer, always lost in books and questions no one asked. Her heart was full of warmth, but her world a little lonely. Where Ayan, quiet, composed, and calm like a winter evening. His words didn't come often, but when they did, they stayed. He believed in depth over drama and connection over chaos. Two different souls, and yet one fateful click brought them together. So, here is the part 1, the message that changed everything. So the story begins in the 8th standard. Aradhya was just like every other schoolgirl, full of dreams, curiosity, and innocence. One evening, watching her classmates post photos, status updates, and jokes, she felt left out. Everyone was on Facebook, so why not her? After convincing her parents and feeling grown up for the first time, she created her Facebook account. She didn't really know what to do with it. The interface was new, and she had no friends on the platform. So she did what many innocent kids might do. She sent random friend requests to 5 strangers just to see how things worked. And from one of those random clicks entered Ayan. A simple hi turned into small talk turned into daily conversations. And within a few weeks, the two were chatting like they had knew each other for years. कुछ लोग सिर्फ बातें नहीं कहते, कुछ लोग सिर्फ बातें नहीं कहते, वो दिल छू जाते हैं. Aradhya didn't know what it was, his way of speaking, his thoughts, or maybe just his timing. But Ayan felt different, special. They never exchanged photos, never shared numbers, yet each night they found themselves waiting for each other. To came online to ask, how was your day? To simply be there. They spoke about school, friends, fear, and secret. They hadn't told anyone. They were nights. They chatted until 2 a.m., laughing, teasing, understanding. A beautiful bond was forming, not rushed by look or attraction, but born out of comfort and connection. Weeks turned into months, and one day they discovered something strange. Both of them belonged to the same village. Not only that, their families were just a few lanes apart, but they live in different cities, miles away from that common road. क्या ये सिर्फ एक इत्तेफाक था? क्या ये सिर्फ एक इत्तेफाक था या तकदीर का पहला इशारा? From strangers to friends, from friends to something more. Even they didn't realize how fast they had grown close. One day, Ayan shared a small story about a crush he once had in school. It was innocent, harmless, but for Aradhya, who had never felt this way about anyone before, a seed of insecurity was planted. She had never seen him, never met him, never even heard his voice. Was she falling for someone who hadn't even real in her world? Then came the new year, January 1st. Finally, Ayan confessed. His message was raw, nervous, honest. Like, मुझे नहीं पता तू क्या महसूस करती है, मुझे नहीं पता तू क्या महसूस करती है, पर मैं तुझ में कुछ अलग ही पाता हूँ. शायद ये प्यार है. Aradhya froze for the first time. Someone had used the word love for her and meant it, and yet she didn't know what to say. The next day, she didn't reply. She stayed offline, not because she didn't care, but because she was scared. पहली बार किसी के जज्बात इतने सच्चे लगे, पहली बार किसी के जज्बात इतने सच्चे लगे कि खुद से डर लग गया. Then came January 3rd. With trembling fingers and a racing heart, Aradhya messaged back just one word, yes. Ayan replied instantly, like he is waiting for her message only. His message read, welcome to my life, Aradhya. And in that one line, she felt something shift inside her. She smiled and for the first time whispered to herself, maybe he's the one. प्यार वही तो होता है, प्यार वही तो होता है जब बिना देखे, बिना छुए किसी की रूह तक उतर जाए. They hadn't seen each other. They hadn't heard each other's voice. And yet, what they had felt was more real than anything they had ever known. This was not the end. It was just the beginning of a love story that started with a random click and boomed into something eternal. मोहब्बत का असली जादू तो तब होता है, मोहब्बत का असली जादू तो तब होता है जब दो दिल मिलते हैं और दुनिया बेखबर रहती है. ना सूरत का नशा, ना आवाज़ का जादू, ना सूरत का नशा, ना आवाज़ का जादू, सिर्फ रूह का बंधन होता है. If this story touch your heart, like the video, share it with someone who believes in soulful love, and subscribe to Diary Days for more such emotional journeys. And part 2, where Aradhya and Ayan's story faces its first real test, is coming soon. So don't forget to hit the bell icon and stay connected because some stories are meant to be felt